Well, hello there, and welcome to a beer tasting with the old Growler. I'm Pete LaFrance, and today we're going to be sampling something I know you'll be especially interested in. Let's get started. Greetings, I'm the old Growler, and welcome to Meeting Expectations. This time from Tröegs. We have their Grand Cacao. It is a chocolate stout brewed with cacao and milk sugar. Fructose. Yeah, fructose. Milk stout. Yeah. Okay. Well, let's see if Grand Cacao can meet expectations. Well, what are the expectations? Well, as I said, it's a chocolate stout with cacao and milk sugar, lactose. That's what milk sugar is, lactose. And they always have a good deal of information on their cans, and I really appreciate that. Okay, it's 6.5% by volume. It says the additions are Peruvian cacao nibs, vanilla, and milk sugar. The hops are Galena, so it's a single hop. It's 12 fluid ounces, and the malt, Pilsner, Munich, caramel, chocolate, special 8, roasted barley malts, and oats. And we don't have IBUs on here. That's kind of interesting. Usually they have the IBUs. It says, "Welcome to Grand Cacao. This deliciously decadent stout is built on a foundation of rich chocolate malt, caramel malt, and roasted barley. Cold steeping on Peruvian cacao nibs and natural vanilla doubles down on the smooth symphony of chocolate and a splash of milk sugar, delivering a velvety, sweet, and creamy finish." Okay, it says to be served in a tumbler, but we have our traditional beer tasting glass that we always use here, so that all of our beers will be on an equal playing field when it comes to sight, the looks, the flavor, and the aroma. Okay, what are we expecting here? Well, since they don't have the IBUs on here, I don't expect a bitter beer. I'm expecting a rich chocolatey stout. That's what I'm expecting. Let's see if Grand Cacao can meet expectations. Here we go. Why, it certainly is a dark. Boy, it looks almost like coffee. And look at that head. Boy, that is a real dark. That's a nice tan head. Look on that. Is it opaque? Can I see through? It's not quite opaque, but it is certainly dark, so it meets expectations as far as the looks go. Now let's see if it meets expectations as far as aromatics. The first nosedive. Well, not too much there. Second nosedive. Well, there's not too much. The first swig. Boy, even before I aspirate, before I drew some breath in so that it can resonate in the nasal passages and you get all of the flavors and aromatics, even before I swallowed, opened up my mouth, you could get the chocolate on that. Oh my word. But it's not overpowering. It's just right there. Second swig. Again, nice chocolate. It's not cloying. It has a very light mouthfeel. And when I take a second look at the alcohol content, 6.5. Yeah. It's not thick and viscous like I was expecting, so it doesn't quite meet expectations there, but it exceeds expectations because it is more balanced and it's lighter and it's more refreshing. In fact, it's a better beer than I thought it would be. I'm going to have a third swig. I must say, Tröegs Grand Cacao. Does it meet expectations? I think it exceeds expectations. I'm the old Growler. hoping all of your beers meet expectations. Thanks for stopping by. I hope you enjoyed this presentation. If you did, click on the subscribe button if you haven't already, and the bell. That way you won't miss any of our presentations. I'm Pete LaFrance, the Old Growler. Until next time.